Workday Adaptive Planning provides automated allocation and elimination rules for intercompany activities within your business structure as well. You can see on the right hand side of our model management page here that we have our allocation rules and elimination rules. If I open up my elimination rules, you can see we only have two set up in here, but one of them accounts for our intercompany sales. If I open this rule, you can see exactly how it's running. I can choose the debit and credit accounts that I want the transactions to be measured against, and then within the scoping tab I can choose which plans I want this to run for and where I want the eliminations to be captured within my actual structure. There's a few of the capabilities in here, but they ultimately are automated as soon as you hit save. You can then also use a pre-built report like one we have here that allows us to look at our various subsidiary entities and then see the difference between the actuals we loaded from the source system and any adjustments and elimination data between those entities as well in one fell swoop, which makes intercompany transaction reporting within Adaptive as transparent as it can possibly be.